what would you advise a 20-year-old
About
about
finances.
finance? Because a lot of people are struggling with finances. When you're in your 20s, you need to get your financial literacy right.
I think
You need to listen to podcasts about money, know everything about money. Choose like 5 books about money. Learn everything about money. Because if you don't get your finances right when you're in your 20s, utaumia when you're in 30s, 40s na 50s. A lot of young people get money when they are young, but misuse the money.
what I will tell a 20-year-old person who has access to money ama akona hiyo privilege ya kukua akona do. Kitu ya kwanza ni ati getting into that stage whereby uko na do but hujui utaifanyia nini. You know why?
Why?
You learn from failures because in the first place kuna time ulikuwa una dream kukua na do but hiyo do hukuwa na plan utaipata aje, but ndio hii imekuja. So in the first place it's okay not to know what to do with the money.